those hawks. Okay guys, this is the acceleration test of Citroen ZX 1.4 liter 75 horsepower from 92 year. It's a manual 5-speed gearbox. It's petrol car. Let's see what we can achieve with that old stuff. I think somewhere here, or maybe more if we get here. Okay, here is the perfect. It has 165 tires. Okay, 100 reach, yeah. So you saw the acceleration on the third gear. I reached 100 kilometers. The heating is really working. We still have no signs of any antifreeze being too hot. Okay, let's make another start and calculate the times again. Good start. Oh, I broke this. I just broke it. Okay, I will use this. This was slower because this one fell down. I'll put it back. Come on, motherfucker. Okay, so that was the acceleration.